Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors in history. His remarkable ability to identify undervalued companies and invest in them with precision has earned him a legendary status in the world of finance. But there's more to Buffett's success than just savvy stock picks. His journey is a story of discipline, patience, and an unwavering commitment to his investment principles. Let's dive into the untold story of Warren Buffett's investment genius. The early years, a natural talent for business. Warren Edward Buffett was born on August 30, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska. From a young age, Buffett displayed an extraordinary talent for business and investing. His interest in money and investing was evident when he made his first stock purchase at the age of 11. He bought 3 shares of City Service Preferred for himself and 3 for his sister, Doris. Although the stock initially dropped in price, Buffett held on and sold it at a small profit, teaching him valuable lessons about patience and the nature of the stock market. Buffett's entrepreneurial spirit didn't stop there. As a teenager, he engaged in various business ventures, including selling chewing gum, Coca-Cola, and magazines door to door. He also worked in his grandfather's grocery store and delivered newspapers, saving and investing his earnings. These early experiences shaped Buffett's understanding of money and the importance of hard work and perseverance. Buffett's passion for numbers and finance led him to study under Benjamin Graham, a well-known economist and investor at Columbia University. Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor, profoundly influenced Buffett and introduced him to the concept of value investing. This principle, which focuses on buying securities that appear underpriced by some form of fundamental analysis, became the cornerstone of Buffett's investment strategy. Building a fortune, the birth of Berkshire Hathaway. After graduating from Columbia University in 1951, Buffett returned to Omaha and started his career as an investment salesman. He later worked for his mentor, Benjamin Graham, at Graham-Newman Corp. During this time, Buffett honed his investment skills and deepened his understanding of value investing. In 1956, Buffett returned to Omaha and started Buffett Partnership Lent, an investment partnership that would lay the foundation for his future success. Through his partnerships, Buffett achieved impressive returns by investing in undervalued companies and applying his value investing principles. In 1962, Buffett began buying shares in a struggling textile manufacturing firm called Berkshire Hathaway. He eventually took control of the company, seeing it as an opportunity to use its cash flow to invest in other businesses. Over time, Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway from a failing textile company into a diversified conglomerate with holdings in a wide range of industries, including insurance, utilities, railroads, and consumer goods. Buffett's investment strategy for Berkshire Hathaway was simple but effective. He sought out companies with strong fundamentals, competent management, and a competitive advantage, often referred to as a moat. This approach allowed him to acquire businesses at a reasonable price and generate substantial long-term returns. The investment philosophy, patience, and discipline. One of the key elements of Buffett's investment genius is his unwavering discipline and patience. Unlike many investors who seek quick profits, Buffett takes a long-term perspective, often holding investments for decades. He famously said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This approach allows him to benefit from the compounding of returns over time, which is a critical factor in his wealth accumulation. Buffett's investment philosophy is rooted in value investing, which he learned from Benjamin Graham. He looks for companies that are undervalued by the market but have strong fundamentals and the potential for long-term growth. By focusing on intrinsic value rather than short-term market fluctuations, Buffett can identify opportunities that others might overlook. Buffett also emphasizes the importance of understanding the businesses he invests in. He famously avoids investing in companies or industries that he doesn't understand, which he refers to as staying within his circle of competence. This disciplined approach helps him avoid unnecessary risks and make more informed investment decisions. Another crucial aspect of Buffett's investment strategy is his focus on management quality. He believes that the people running a company are just as important as the company's financial metrics. Buffett looks for honest, competent, and shareholder-friendly management teams that are aligned with the interests of long-term investors. Iconic investments: Coca-Cola, American Express, and more. Buffett's investment portfolio includes some of the most iconic and successful companies in the world. One of his most famous investments is Coca-Cola. In 1988, Buffett began buying shares of Coca-Cola, eventually making it one of Berkshire Hathaway's largest holdings. His investment in Coca-Cola exemplifies his value investing principles. He saw a strong brand with a competitive advantage, solid management, and consistent earnings growth. Over the years, this investment has generated substantial returns for Berkshire Hathaway. Another notable investment is American Express. In the early 1960s, American Express faced a major scandal known as the salad oil scandal, which caused its stock price to plummet. Recognizing the company's underlying strength and the temporary nature of the crisis, Buffett's investment in the Washington Post is another example of his ability to identify undervalued assets. In the early 1970s, the Washington Post was undervalued due to concerns about the future of the newspaper industry. Buffett saw the company's strong brand and potential for growth and invested in it. Over time, the value of the Washington Post increased significantly, further demonstrating Buffett's investment acumen. The power of compounding and philanthropy. A central theme in Buffett's investment strategy is the power of compounding. By reinvesting profits and holding investments for the long term, Buffett has been able to achieve exponential growth in his wealth. He once described compounding as the eighth wonder of the world, emphasizing its importance in building long-term wealth. Buffett's commitment to philanthropy is another significant aspect of his legacy. In 2006, he announced that he would give away the majority of his fortune to philanthropic causes, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This decision was driven by his belief that his wealth could be used to address some of the world's most pressing problems, such as poverty, healthcare, and education. Buffett's philanthropic efforts are guided by the same principles that have defined his investment strategy: a focus on long-term impact, careful analysis, and a commitment to making a meaningful difference. His dedication to giving back has inspired other billionaires to pledge a significant portion of their wealth to charitable causes through the Giving Pledge, an initiative he co-founded with Bill and Melinda Gates. Outro: The legacy of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy with a passion for business to one of the world's most successful investors is a testament to his intelligence, discipline, and commitment to his principles. His investment genius lies not only in his ability to pick winning stocks, but also in his long-term perspective, focus on value, and understanding of the power of compounding. Buffett's legacy extends beyond his financial success. Through his philanthropic efforts, he has demonstrated that true wealth is not just about accumulating money, but also about making a positive impact on the world. As we look to the future, Warren Buffett's story serves as an inspiration to investors and entrepreneurs alike. The untold story of Warren Buffett's investment genius is not just about financial success. It's about the power of vision, integrity, and the enduring impact of a life well lived.